Hi, girl Meno. What is your name and how young are you?
I'm Crystalline Niña Mabajan and I'm 18 years
With we're
old.
still in before we start. Do you give me permission to video you and post this in my YouTube vlog? Okay, okay, what's his name?
Crystalline.
Crystalline. Are you single or are you in a relationship?
Single.
Ay, single.
Hindi.
Okay. This is ano ni siya nga questions ha. Okay. For example, you have a foreigner chatmate and he fly here in the Philippines just to meet you, but there's no chemistry between you. Kanang wala spark between you. Okay? What would you do? What would you do? Would you continue seeing him while he stay here in the Philippines or would you stop?
Um, continue to kanang para ila-ilahon siya more.
Continue to meet him and
Yeah.
knowing him
Mm.
better, even there's no spark.
Yeah.
Mm.
Basin day sa kuan magka.
Maybe you will develop.
Mm-mm.
That's so nice, huh? Yeah, because you don't know if you develop it or
Yeah,
not.
kay
Okay.
through kuan ra.
Through communication will develop, right? The bond.
Online, yeah.
Okay. As a Filipina, as a Filipinas, always say family comes first. So if you're dating with a foreigner and your parents asking you to ask the foreigner to support them, okay, would you ask your foreigner boyfriend to support your parents?
Musupport siya sa akong
It's not
parents.
nice.
Yeah.
It's not nice to ask a
Yeah.
foreigner.
Kay makanap ng partner gigamit na ko siya for money to my
Okay,
family.
so basically she said that I don't want foreigner says that I'll use him to support my family, which is nice, okay? Which is very nice. Okay, if ever he will support your family, how much do you think?
If soon, it depends.
It depends.
Mm.
So you won't demand how much? Okay.
Nga kanang nagyapoy support ba even though nga kanang balag sa ako alang nga sa akong side dili lang sayang money gikan.
Okay. So it's okay to you to support your family as it's okay to you that you will work to support your family even he don't like to support your family. If your friends and family will know you're dating with foreigner, do you think they will take advantage of you?
Yes.
She said, yes. I know why. I know why. What in any shape or why?
Kay para nila kay ang afam kay lagi daghan og money and so mato daghan manuol nimo kay lagi kay afam imong partner.
She said yes because the mindset of the Filipino, if you have a foreigner, they are rich. So there's a lot of our family and your friends will come to you and ask you favor because they know foreigners are rich. That's mindset of the
Yeah,
Filipino.
yeah.
Mindset of the Filipino. Okay.
Umaahon sa kahirapan.
Yeah, that is true. They're the one who pull out from the poverty. Okay. Would you settle down near your family in the future if you have a foreigner partner?
Mm, yes.
Yes, you will. Okay. So do you think it's okay for you, your family, that you will live? For example, you're settled down with family, okay, and you said you want to settle down near your parent, near your family. So would you be okay? Would your family be okay if you and your partner, the foreigner partner, live in your parents' house?
No.
No.
Para sad nako dili.
Why? For you,
Kay
no.
kaan, mas gusto ko nga mopalahi nila kay magay nagkuan nako kanang tawag ani?
Settle down.
Yeah, nag-settle down ako para wala na sila problemahon nako and gusto na ko like
Okay.
be
So she said, no, I don't want my partner and me live in my parents' house because the reason why I settled down because I want to be independent from my family and I don't want them to have any problems for me. So not living with your parents.
Yeah.
Even though he would like to chip in.
Yeah.
No. Okay. So you're in a relationship with foreigner. How do you think to protect your relationship from the judgment of the Filipinos? Because Filipinos are judgmental.
Yeah.
Okay. How do you think you will protect your relationship?
Dili na lang sila guro i-mind. Dili na lang sila i-mind kung unsa lang ipangsulti nga kay lagi foreigner ang partner nga na.
That's true. So you
Kaya
don't.
wala sila gapakaon ako. Dili sila mabuhat.
That's true.
Joke.
They didn't feed you, so they can't do anything. So
Yeah.
don't mind whatever they say.
Yeah.
That is true. You're really
Inggit lang
mature.
sila.
They're just in Vea. It's true. You're really matured with your age, huh? I like that. I like that kind of mindset. I don't care. Okay. So does appearance matter to you?
About sa partner o good sa
About
kumpilian?
if you are dating. If you are dating, does appearance matter?
Siguro slight, pero not totally nga.
Slight. Okay. Yes, slight.
Siguro mga ko gamay advice nila pero di sila kaboto gun sa akong akong
okay.
choice.
So, girl, if you were dating, for example lang ha, if you were dating a foreigner, what is the nationality that really attractive for you?
Australia. Australian. Mm-mm.
Why Australian?
No.
You love the kangaroo?
Kuan. Ulo, ganan ko silang eyes and ilang nose.
The
Yes.
eyes and the nose.
Yes. Kasagaran ko nakita sa Australia kay mga tagas
They are
mga
tall.
yeah.
Okay. If you were dating a foreigner, if you were dating Australia, how tall? How tall?
As a 5'0", as a
Yeah.
5 flat,
Yeah.
maybe 5 6 flat.
6 foot.
Yeah.
6 flat nose. 6 flat nose. Okay. 6 foot.
Yeah, 6 foot.
Okay, 6 foot. So, girl, if you have one suggestions to a foreigner that looking for a girlfriend here in the Philippines, what is that?
Dili na og kwarta.
Yeah. The woman that don't love money.
Dapat love ka og unsa
Yeah,
jud ka
yeah.
like physical, mental, like all
Yeah,
dili
okay.
tungod sa imong money. Not because of your money.
Not because of your money. You should find a woman that loves you, not only your money, but physically, mentally, emotionally. That loves you. That's right. That's nice. Thank you ever so much for your time, for answering my questions. And guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. If you have any comment, please comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!